is our tool rack, which is showing clean and neat. Follow me. On my right side is our automatic machines HD 120D. Is using 2 spindle and 2 turrets. We're using the truss and mechanical arms to form the automatic machines, can efficiently to improve our processing efficiency and save the labor cost. And also you can see our DA25. This is our another popular automatic machines. This is adopt the 2 main spindle machines. All this line is our DA25 Zabo line. This machine is also popular exported in South Asia. And follow me. In our front is our pre-assembly line. And we will show what our parts in order, placed in order, and our workshop also uses the 5 axis management. You know, the quality control is very important for our machines. This is the reason so many customers to trust our Obotr brand and our machines. Follow me. This side is our pre-assembly area. This is our automatic machine's structure and body. All of these workshops is use stable temperatures and the 5S management. If you are interested in our production at our company, kindly contact with us. See you next time.